Do you ever feel shy when you try to speak English? Do you know the words, but they freeze on your tongue? Do you wish the words could just flow? Fast, easy, natural. Take a breath. This is your 10-minute practice. 10 minutes to wake up your voice, your mind, and your English. Today, we speak without fear. Say this with me, slowly. I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English clearly. Now say it with power. I speak English every day, and I'm getting better. When you repeat strong words, your brain remembers. When your brain remembers, your mouth learns the sound. This is how fluency is built, not in silence, but in sound. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you look in the mirror, you say, "Good morning. I'm ready for today." You make breakfast, and you say, "I'm cooking eggs. I'm making tea. I'm starting my day." You talk about what you do. You make your daily life your English lesson. When you do this every day, you don't study English, you live it. And when you live it, you start to think in English. Thinking in English is fluency. Now let's practice rhythm. Say it with me. Feel the beat in your voice. I wake up. I stretch. I smile. I eat breakfast. I walk outside. I look at the sky. I breathe deep. I'm alive. I'm learning. I'm growing. Feel the flow. The short sentences make your English smooth. This rhythm is your secret tool. Fluency is music, and you are the instrument. Sometimes your mind will say, "It's too hard." Sometimes your tongue will feel slow. But remember, every time you speak, you win. Even if your words are not perfect, they are alive. And alive English is always better than perfect silence. You must let go of fear. Fluency doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from speaking freely. It comes from trusting your voice. Think of a child learning to talk. They make mistakes every second, but they never stop speaking. They never stop trying. That's why they grow so fast. You must be that brave. Be that free. Your English will grow faster when you stop trying to be perfect. Now let's move again. Repeat with energy. I speak with confidence. My voice is strong. My English is growing. I am improving every day. Feel how your body changes when you speak those words. Your shoulders lift. Your heart opens. Your brain wakes up. That is real practice. When you speak English, don't only think of rules. Think of meaning. Speak about your life, your dreams, your feelings. Say things that matter to you. When your words come from your heart, they sound natural. Fluency begins with honesty, not with grammar. Say what you truly feel, even in simple words. Simple words spoken with emotion are powerful. Now imagine this moment in the future. You're speaking English with someone new. You don't translate in your head. The words come easily. You laugh. You understand. You feel free. That is not a dream. That is the result of small daily steps, like this one. Each time you speak for 10 minutes, you are training your muscles, your memory, your courage. This practice builds a habit, and habits become strength. Soon, English will not feel like a foreign language. It will feel like your second skin. When you practice every day, even for 10 minutes, your confidence grows faster than your vocabulary. And confidence is what makes words flow. Say it one last time with calm power. I speak English with confidence. I practice every day. My English is getting better and better. I am proud of my progress. Take a slow breath. You've just spent 10 minutes building fluency, not from a book, but from your voice. This is how real English grows, from sound, from rhythm, from courage. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep speaking. Every day, every word, every try. Because every sound you make builds a stronger you.